This tutorial is on how you can set up the free download manager correctly on your PC. Most of the people choose IDM as their download manager, and when it comes to registering, usually we use cracks. But in a few days IDM will tell you that your serial number is fake. I will show you how you can avoid this and correctly set up free download manager, and it will work perfectly as the IDM. First, go to google.com and type free download manager. Then go to the website www.freedownloadmanager.org. If you have a Windows PC, you can click on Free Download for Windows. If you have a different operating system, you can click on Downloads for other platforms and select your operating system. This is a Windows PC, so I will click on Free Download for Windows. Wait for the setup to be downloaded. After downloading, click on FDMX64 Setup to install Free Download Manager. Select the installation folder as you prefer and click Next. If you want, you can select Start Menu folder and click Next. Check the boxes as you prefer and click Next. You can see a summary of your settings here. Then click Install. Wait for the software to be installed. Then click on Finish. Now we have correctly installed the software. Another important step should be followed in order to get the maximum benefit out of it. You should download the free Download Manager extension to catch the downloads automatically by the software. For that, go to Google and type free Download Manager extension. Download it through the extension store of your browser. I'm using Chrome, so I will download it from Chrome Web Store. It is also available to other browsers as well. As you can see, there are over 1 million downloads for this extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. As you can see, the extension is now downloaded. Then we will download something to check the software. I really miss this player and I'm going to download it after a long time. As you can see, it catches the download automatically just like IDM. Thank you for watching.